Hey guys, Hunter with Shocker Hitch. We are doing an install of this 30K Gooseneck Surge 9-inch offset on this Lakota horse trailer. Step 1, loosen your set bolt. Step 2, pull your safety pin. Step 3, drop your stem out. Step 4, slide your Shocker Hitch Gooseneck Surge in. Step 5, put your safety pin in. Step 6, tighten your set bolt, but before you do that, make sure the hitch is straight with the trailer. Now that you've completed all the install steps, now it's time to hook up to your tow vehicle. Make sure you grease the ball properly to allow optimum functionality for the hitch and also to eliminate wear and tear on the coupler and ball for the years to come when you use it. Just want to make sure that our shift lock is in the lock position. Put in the safety pin or one of our shift lock locks if you order that with there. Make sure your safety chains are hooked up. And you're all set to go. Also, another thing is to check the clearance for the airbag. This hitch does move with the trailer, so when you turn, the airbag will also turn. So just want to make sure that you've got enough clearance around your ball area that nothing's going to hit this hitch when you turn. Thanks for watching, guys. Join us at shockerhitch.com to check out all of our products or to find your local dealer.